The class today is on Facebook ads. So why Facebook ads? Because when you run ads on Facebook, it also displays on Instagram and Audience Network. Audience Network are applications connected to Facebook like Phonics, Truecaller, AudioMark. That's it. And there are two important applications you need to run Facebook ads. You have the Business Suite and the Meta ads. So I'm going to show you how the interface looks like, how to use these two different apps. So make sure you've downloaded your Meta ads from Google Play Store for an Android phone. You can see this is the interface. I've opened the Meta ads here. If you want to promote an ads, you can see I already have a campaign before digital skills. You press on the plus button. You can see the different tools available for you to use. If you want to create a lead, if you want to for sales is good for selling products. Maybe you want to sell shoe, clothes, like that. Engagement, you can see it's for it's good for messages, post engagement, like when you post your video, people comment, likes, and the rest of it. And when you come to awareness, is to reach out to people. Like maybe you have an event, you decide to advertise it for people to know that okay, something like this is happening in so place, so date. That's what awareness is good for. It's for rich brand awareness. Then you go to traffic. Send people to a destination, like you have a website you want people to click on. Traffic is the best to use. It's for link clicks, landing page views. Then you go to lead. Lead collects forms, like it's for instant forms. You collect forms for your business, like people register, put their name, email, like fill the form online, and like that. And you come to sale. Sales help you to find people likely to purchase your products. So they purchase through your WhatsApp. When they click on the purchase and the icon, it takes to your WhatsApp or wherever is your preference. So that's all for that. So this is an engagement setup. You can see get post engagement, get messaging engagement. That's all for that part. And when you open awareness campaign, you want people to be aware of something, advertising a program online, you can use awareness. I'm going back now. So now I'm going to move to the next app to show you. Okay. No, I don't want this. Let's see. I'll go to the next app. Okay, this is funding. I'm trying to fund here. You click on billing and payments. Maybe you've not added payment method before, you want to add payment method. You can see that when you click on billing and funding, it will take you to where to add payment method. You can see that for if it's your first time, it's best to select Naira payments with MasterCard. You can see that it will take you, when you click on that, it will take you to a browser. I'm going to click on it now. Yeah, you click next. You can see, okay, after adding your amount, the amount you want to put, it will take you to a browser where you are going to fill your payment detail. You can see that on pay you. So when you click that continue button, you're going to fill in your card details and the rest. You follow the step. On this video is just, I'm just trying to teach on how to use the app. I'm not making payments right now. I'm not making any payments. And if you already have your card details set up, it's easy. You just go straight and pay. And on this one, this is business suite. On business suite, you manage your accounts. You manage what? You manage your accounts. You manage your businesses, likes, comments, and all of that. So to post, you click on the plus icon. You can see create new content, ads. You click on ads. Click on ads, get message. You can see, you can play around the tools to see. Inbox, that's where your message is. When you have posted an ads, you come to your inbox. Any messages on that ads, when you come to your inbox, you will get them. Comments, you will get them. You can reply to comments, to inboxes. That's all about that. You can also make payments on this business suite if you want to. You can see the settings. You can see that it's very easy and simple to use. More tools. When you click on tools, it takes you to more settings. You can see that you see more tools to use. Order. In my next class, I'm going to show you how to create an ad from scratch. Thank you.